Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix credit card misuse with HSBC, quick tutorial step by step clearly. If you suspect credit card misuse with HSBC, start by gathering all relevant information regarding your account. Log into your HSBC online banking platform using your credentials. Navigate to the Transactions section to review recent transactions. Identify any unauthorized or suspicious charges made on your credit card. Take note of the transaction details, including the date, amount, and merchant name. Once you have compiled this information, locate the contact number for HSBC customer service. Call the customer service number and select the options for reporting fraud or misuse. Follow the automated prompts to speak to a representative who can assist you. Explain the situation clearly, providing the details of the transactions in question. Request a temporary freeze on your credit card to prevent further Ask the representative to initiate an investigation into the disputed charges. Take note of any reference numbers or instructions provided by the representative. Follow up on the status of your dispute if you do not receive updates within a specified time frame. Consider changing your online banking password for additional security. Monitor your account regularly for any new or unauthorized charges. Review HSBC's policies on credit card fraud for a better understanding of your rights and protections. Once the investigation is complete, ensure that any verified fraudulent charges are removed from your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.